Hi, Shayla with WTI. And when I'm having a good brow day, I want to keep it that way. I want to lock them in place. NYX makes this incredible brow glue. I love that it is an instant brow styler. So if you have great brows, you don't need any color, this clear is the one for you. Look at this cute little spoolie. It's going to style your brows just how you want them, give them a great laminated look. We know everybody's going for that full feathery eyebrow look. I myself have to use some of their other colored products for my eyebrows first, as they are kind of thin and sparse. But when I'm done and I have them how I want them, I definitely go to this brow glue and lock them in place. I know that this brow glue is going to be not sticky, it's not going to transfer onto anything, it's not going to flake, it's just going to lock them in exactly how I want them, give them that great laminated look that you can get right out of a brow bar. Overall, love this brow glue. It has really helped keep my brows in place. So whether you have a good brow day and you just want to lock them in place with this clear glue, or you need a little color and you want to use the colored glue, this NYX brow glue is definitely a staple in a makeup bag for a good brow day, and that's my point of view.